Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. Here we have an electronic alarm clock or just something. It's digital, okay? So that's how it looks like. I know it says 12 on here, but let's check it out. Very simple thing, to be honest. Don't need the box anymore. Ooh, light and snooze, and it looks light blue. I don't know about the color. Let's see if it comes with a battery. Is it better? Oh my god, no. What does it take then? It takes triple A's, free triple A's. Great. I'm not sure if I have free triple A's. This is bad. It doesn't come with the batteries, but I'll check it out. Aha! I found some batteries. Hopefully they're gonna work. So let's check it out. How they slide in here. This way, and this way. There we go. It's already beeping at me, so I'm guessing it worked. So let's see. There we go. Light. Oh, it's touch sensitive. That's pretty cool. How do you turn this off then and on? Okay, the light is just if you touch it, I think it's gonna turn off. And look at that! It even has the temperature meter. That's actually pretty cool. It shows you some other stuff in here. Temperature is pretty good. I've always wanted it. So let's see. Set up down, alarm 1 and alarm 2. Not sure what this is. 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Eh? That's what the hell? What is this then? So I rechecked this and it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. You just have to hold this set key, click it down and just keep holding it until it beeps and this starts blinking. Then you just set whatever the time is. You click the set key again, then you can put the minutes, then it's year, then it's date, month, it's date, what? Month and date? What? Shouldn't it be month and day? And then that's it, that's set. And the alarms, it's alarm 1 and 2, see in here. This means it's on and off, the same thing. And if you wanna set this, then you click it on, and then you just click and hold after it. And the same thing, it starts blinking, then you just go with these up and down buttons in here. You put whatever you want the alarm to be, and you click this alarm button again, then it starts blinking this one, set this one, and press again, and that's it, it's done. So it's easy as that. And that's how you toggle it on and off, both of them. And this thing in here, that's the alarm mode. 1 to 5 means Monday to Friday, 1 to 6 Monday to Saturday, and 1 to 7 Monday to Sunday. So that's all it is. So if you want the alarm every day or just the work days, and that's all there is. So it's pretty easy to use. And it also has an intelligent backlight, by the way. You can't see it in here because of the light, but if the room is completely empty, it's very, very dim light. So if you wake up in the middle of the night, then you can still see on the screen without actually having to touch on that. So it's a pretty cool concept. I just don't like this light blue, but other than that, it's very simple and very useful thing to have. So here you have it, and I will see you next time.